Hi everyone, this is Anna from the A&A Club, and in today's video I will show you how to make this wave bracelet. Let's get into it! So to make this bracelet you're gonna need 3 different colors, and you can choose any colors you want, but since this is a wave pattern I'm gonna be using these blue colors and this white. Now we are gonna cut our strings, and you need to cut 2 long strings from each color, 2 strings of a wingspan's length from each color. So you will have 6 long strings at the end. Now I have all my strings cut. So I'm gonna fold this whole thing in half, and then I'm gonna get 4 strings of each color. And now I'm gonna start this bracelet. So what I did here, it was that I did a knot, I braided this part and then did another knot over here. And now you can tape down your bracelet, and let's start the actual tutorial. So to start this bracelet you will need to set up your strings exactly like this. You will have color A, B, A, B, A, B, C, C, B, C, and C. Since this is a normal pattern, we are working with pairs of strings. Our first 3 knots will be forward knots. I'm gonna take my 2 darker blue colors and I'm gonna do a forward knot. Then I'm gonna do another forward knot with my white color. And then my third forward knot is also a white knot. Next we have backward forward knot. The next knot is a backward knot. The last knot would be a backward knot, but since these are the same color, it doesn't really matter what knot are you doing. I'm gonna be doing a backward forward knot because that will help my bracelet to be straight. I just realized that I told you the wrong thing. Actually, when it comes to this straight edge technique, you need to do a backward forward knot on the left side and a forward backward knot on the right side. So you need to bring the strings out and then back. And I think I said the wrong thing, so please pay attention to that. And yeah, that was the first row. Now for the next row, we are going to leave out our 2 outermost strings. And this is how the new row will look like. We just take our strings in order and then pair them up. Now we are gonna do a forward knot. The next knot will be a forward knot. And then another forward knot with my 2 white strings. Then a backward forward knot and then a backward knot. Now for row 3, we are going to repair our strings, including the ones we left out for the second row. We are gonna do 3 forward knots again. Then a backward forward knot. Another backward forward knot. And then, as I said, if it's the same color string, you can do any knots, but I'm gonna be doing a backward forward knot to keep my edges straight. For row 4, we're gonna leave out the 2 outermost strings. We're gonna do 4. Oh, actually the whole row consists of forward knots, so all of your knots will be forward knots. For row 5, we're gonna repair our strings again, and then the first knot would be a forward knot, but I'm gonna do a backward forward knot to keep this edge straight as well. Then the next knot is a forward backward knot. Then another forward backward knot. A forward knot with my 2 white strings. And then 2 more forward knots. For row 6, we are gonna leave out the outermost strings and repair all the strings. The first knot is a backward knot. Then a backward forward knot. Then a forward knot. And then the last 2 knots are also gonna be forward knots. For row 7, I'm going to start with a backward forward knot to keep my edges straight. Then a backward knot. A forward backward knot. And then 3 more forward knots. For row 8, we are gonna leave out the outermost strings again. Then I'm gonna do backward forward knot. Then a backward knot. A forward backward knot. and then 2 more forward backward knots. For row 9, I'm gonna do a backward forward knot, and then another backward forward knot, two backward knots, and then 2 backward forward knots. And for the final row, I'm going to repair my strings, and we are doing 3 backward forward knots, a backward knot, and then a forward backward knot. And now our strings are in the exact same order as they were at the beginning, so you need to do this all over again and repeat this process until your bracelet is long enough for your wrists. And this is how the finished bracelet looks like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye!